So understanding the slope and intercept form is, okay, so we know what the y value and the x value is. It's an order pair found on a line on a graph. My little m is actually my slope of this line, and it's seen as y2 minus y1, meaning y from the second order minus the y from the first order, divided by x2 minus x1, which is our x from the second order minus the x from the first coordinate. So we have two order pairs. So that's all you need to graph a line is two order pairs. As long as it's a straight line, that's all you need. So I'm going to call this order pair 1 and this order pair 2. Once I know these particular points, I can find its slope. B, however, is my y-intercept. It's where it crosses the y-axis. Okay, meaning that x is going to be always 0 and y is going to be some number. So we have this graph and we're crossing somewheres on the y-intercept. So to determine this, so say that we have, for example, 2x minus 4y equals negative 16. We want to solve this for y-intercept, then I can graph it. Because all we need to graph it, again, is two order pairs, right? We can graph the line. However, if we know the slope and the y-intercept, then we can graph the line as well. So let's solve for this. What I need is my y to be by itself with a positive 1 coefficient, so I got to do some work. I'm going to subtract the 2x from both sides. And now I get negative 4y is equal to negative 2x minus 16. Now I need a positive 1 on that y. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide by that negative 4. And let's rewrite that. This gives me y is equal to 2 over 4x, because negative by negative is positive, and positive 16 over 4. Again, negative by negative is positive. So let's reduce this. 2 and 4 reduces by 2, leaves me with a half. And 4 goes into 16 4 times. So now I know my slope is a positive half. My y-intercept is a positive 4. My order pair for the y-intercept is 0, 4. So now let's graph our line. I'm going to draw this as best I can. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to plot the y-intercept. So let's go plot it. And y-intercept is 0 for x, so it's all up and down this line. Positive 4 for y, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3 right here. And that's my y-intercept. So from here, I can plot my slope. When we plot our slope, there's some key things to know. If your slope is a positive number, then your line is going to increase left to right. It's going to look like something like this. Somewhere's on there, it's going to increase that way. If the slope is a negative number, then the line will decrease left to right. And it will look something like this somewhere on that graph. If the slope is 0, we have a horizontal line. It's going to look like that. If the slope is undefined, we're going to have a vertical line. Okay, and it will just be straight up and down somewhere on there. So since it's a positive number, a positive slope, that means what I need to do now is go up the number of y values and to the right the number of x values. So we're going to go up and over. So let's look at it. Positive slope means we go up and then over the number of those values. The negative says we're going to go down the number of y values, and then to the right the number of x values. Horizontal line is just going to be whatever y is in that equation. And then the undefined, of course, it's going to be whatever the x is, right? Because that's the x value. It's whatever x is. All right, so here it is. We're going to go up one. Let me change this right quick. We're going to go up one, and then we're going to go to the right, 1, 2. That's all we need, and we can connect this line. Let's get this to this guy. Here we go. That's all we need. But we can continuously go if we want to. We can go up one more, to the right 2. And if you keep it up, you're going to keep getting this long line, okay? So that is using the slope-intercept form. Finding the slope. Again, you just need 2 order pairs. So what if I had order pair 1 of -2, 4, and we have order pair 2 of 1, 5. Okay, so now to find that slope, I'm just going to plug in my x value, or excuse me, my y value from second order pair minus my y value from the first order pair, my x value from second order pair minus the x value from the first order pair. So 5 minus 4 is 1. And then this becomes 1 plus 2 because negative times negative. So I get this. So now my slope is a 1/3. My y value means we're going to, since it's positive, we're going to go up 1. And my x value here is to the right 3. Okay.